Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're showing you guys how to create this crazy, colorful, or multicolor grunge effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm gonna go right here, go to our bottom left, go to new and create our adjustment layer right here. The first effect I'm gonna add, it's gonna be a 4-color gradient, and it's gonna start messing around with our clip right here, but I'll show you guys how to fix it. First, we're gonna head over to color 1 and we're gonna put it on a deep red right here. Then for color 2, I'm gonna put it on a cyan color right here. Then for color 3 and 4, I'm gonna put it on deep black or just straight black right here. Once after that, I'm gonna go right here to our blending mode and we're gonna put it on overlay right here. Once after that, I'm gonna create another adjustment layer. Make sure it's above the adjustment layer we just made and added the 4-color gradient effect. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the noise effect onto our new adjustment layer we just made. We're going to turn off use color noise right here. Then the amount of noise we're going to put up to 20. Close out our menu. Then for the next effect, I'm going to add exposure. Bring in exposure right here. It's going to be under color correction. Go to our exposure right here and we're going to put it all the way up to 2.5. Close out our menu right here. Then for the next effect, I'm going to add posterize. It's going to be under stylize right here, and then I'm going to bring our level down all the way to 3. And yeah, those are all the steps in order to create this colorful or multicolor grunge effect for next music video or edit. I hope you guys learned something new today or just enjoyed watching this video overall. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, or just go ahead and share the video. You guys don't have to, but I would appreciate it. It would help me and help my channel reach other people. And with that all out of the way, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.